Good afternoon guys, it's me Akbar again. As we discussed in the last video that I'm starting a new series where I would be visiting all the premium communities on their location, and we'll discuss with each video the benefits and the disadvantage of that community. Today I am heading towards Abu Dhabi as we are visiting on one of the most premium community of Abu Dhabi on a man-made island called Al Hudayriyat Island. The reason to visit the community is that they have a beautiful beachfront villas. At just 1000 dirham per square foot, you are getting a villa on a man-made island with a beach access. I am en route to Abu Dhabi right now. In this video, we will visit the sales center. I'll show you the master plan. We'll speak to one of the relationship manager over there, and we'll discuss why this community will have the appreciation and why is it good for the early investors. If you have really missed on the early stages of Dubai, then you need to really think about Abu Dhabi, as Abu Dhabi is the next big thing in the UAE real estate market, being the capital of UAE. They are getting developed in terms of the Disney World, Ferrari World. They have number of tourists available, but yes, it's on the development stage. So let's see what is got for you. So we have reached Al Hudayriyat Island. So Al Hudayriyat Island is developed by Modern Developers, which is backed by Abu Dhabi government. So the weather is quite pleasant in UAE nowadays. So you can see the beach is already ready and there are people who are already using it. So come inside. Well, we're gonna show you the mock-up model and what's there for you to invest here. So here I am at the mock-up model of Al Hudayriyat Island. So the Hudayriyat Island is in total 50 million square meter of island, which covers the mansions, villas, 4 to 6 bedroom and apartments. So the location is quite nice of Hudayriyat. We are 20 minutes away from Abu Dhabi Business District and 25 minutes from Abu Dhabi International Airport. So when we talk about the amenities in terms of the communities, you have school, hospitals, you have cycling track, you have 17 kilometers of wide sandy beach, which you get to enjoy. So you have everything within the community you need for everyday luxury lifestyle. This is the part of the beach we were discussing right in front of the mock-up model. So as you can see, the beach is already operational, up and running. The people are enjoying their lifestyle, and on this side you already have few dining experiences, restaurants. So this is just the part of the island which is still getting developed. So just imagine once it gets completed, so what would be the lifestyle here. Here right now the entry point is around 1000 dirham per square foot with the private beach access. So if you wish to be the part of this community, DM me now, subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Thank you.